Hello everyone. Welcome. Hopefully you can see me. I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. Last one I did, we got the Beast One plushes, which are over there that you can't see. But today, I got Feastables, Mr. Beast brand of chocolate. So, I'm going to do a bit of opening, and then I'm going to enter all the codes, cut back, and we'll see if I won anything. So, yeah. Hopefully you can see me a lot better now. I switched it to the wide lens. Don't know why I didn't do that initially. Anyways, let's go ahead and do a bit of opening. Duct tape's there to cover my address. You guys ain't getting that today. Very sad, I know. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Boom, we got a sticker. Awesome, I love stickers. And then we got some stuff here. Now, I ordered the Mr. Beast package for $88. It came with, I believe, 30 bars of chocolate and a t-shirt that hasn't arrived yet. Not gonna do an unboxing video. I'll post a picture on my Discord down below in the description if you wanna see the t-shirt. Yes. Anyways, here's what we got. We got 3 boxes, very simplistic. I like the Mr. Beast logo. I like boxes that look like this. Just like somewhat bland, but still cool looking boxes, you know? Kind of thing I like. Let's go ahead and see which one this is. I'm gonna absolutely decimate this box I just complimented. We got, I believe this is the milk chocolate bar. And then here we got the, which bar is this? We got the, doesn't say. Oh, this is the quinoa crunch bar. This is the original chocolate bar. So then this will be the almond that I don't really have any interest in eating. Oh, seriously? Okay, well. Boom, we got the almond bar. So we got 30 bars of chocolate. Hopefully they are decent bars of chocolate. I'll go ahead and give them a review of that at the end. But, you know, I'm sure you all are curious. Did I get anything out of the codes? No. I read the rules, the fun, super fun to read rules, and how it works is there are 2 categories of prizes. There are the big prizes, like the gaming PC, the Tesla, and of course, the trip to compete in Mr. Beast video. Now, you know, those are all pretty cool, but those will be done in a drawing, I believe, in a month or so. So, they're instant win prizes, like headphones, for instance. And all of the codes are on the back of the bar. So, I'm going to do all the codes real quick, and I'll cut back in a second. Okay, so, after playing 30 times, I won 1 video, which is a prize that has 300,000 of it, and the other 29 chocolate bars worth nothing. Now, I don't know the odds, so I don't know if I was lucky by getting 1, or more likely I was probably unlucky. And I will let you know. These are only the small prizes that you can win, right? I could win a gaming PC, a Tesla, or most importantly, I could win a trip to play in a Mr. Beast video. I'll let you know about that if I do. So, now what we are going to do is I'm going to go ahead and switch back to the phone video, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to just give my review of one of these chocolate bars. So, yeah, let's go ahead and switch back to that. Okay, hello. So, we got one of these chocolate bars. We're just going to see how it tastes, you know, get my review of it. So, then open this here. Oh, these fell out. Now, this is the crunch, I believe. Quinoa crunch chocolate. My review of it. I'm not going to try the other 2. I doubt they're going to be any different. Now, keep in mind, these chocolate bars are selling for about $3.50 a piece. So, not exactly, or about $3 a piece. So, these are not exactly cheap. So, we'll see if it's good quality or not. There's going to be a cut right here. That was just to take my returners out. Anyways, I know you guys don't want to see that. So, let's go ahead and see what this tastes like. Okay, so a lot more dark chocolate than milk chocolate than I would expect. A lot less sugar, a lot more cocoa. Also not as much of a crunch, but this is some pretty decent quality chocolate. Definitely better than your normal Hershey's bar, and not too bad. Would I pay $3 for this? Probably not, but I'm pretty stingy with my money. I don't know if I'd even pay $3 for like a full meal. So, yeah. I'm pretty stingy with my money. That's why I bought 30 of these. No, listen, guys, it was for the YouTube. Yeah, that'll be it. Thank you for watching. Peace out.